Hello friends, I'm Sally here for a magical reading adventure. Wow, look at those sight words floating in the sky. Let's read them together. The, of, and, a, to, a, you, there. It was for on as with the. Oh no, the marshmallows disappeared after we read them. But don't worry, they've made our hot cocoa super magical. Thanks for joining me on this magical sight words adventure. Keep practicing your sight words and enjoy the magic of reading. Subscribe to see more educational videos and click on the links below to check out my learning resources.